Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're going to talk about the question, how long do you have to prepare until you can do telekinesis to an object? So it really depends. If you have the connection to an object already, it's faster. Like, what I mean is when you used to do telekinesis with this object already, you get the connection, you build the connection faster, as opposed to if you have never done telekinesis to this object. Okay? So when I do telekinesis to a new object, it can take minutes, but most likely maybe an hour before I can do telekinesis. Sometimes it's like 10 minutes. I would say, me personally, it takes me around 10 minutes until I build the connection to a new object to do telekinesis. But when it's an object I used to do telekinesis with already, probably seconds on a good day, minutes when I just don't feel it. Sometimes I'm just very stressed from work, or I have work lying around I still have to dishes to do, or anything, or I've had a fight with a friend, something on my on my mind, so I can't really focus, then it takes longer. Today I have a good day, so I'm just gonna demonstrate some telekinesis on this little cat here. You see that? So I'm just gonna do telekinesis with this cat. I'm gonna put the camera down here. Okay, that should work. So let's do this. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.